Temperature stabilized at required levels.
Confirmed. Proceed to grading. Here we see the strict separation protocol in action. Process A handles the essence extraction, while the highly purified essence is transferred into a second blending tank, where a precise, final dose of
As you can see, the spectral data confirms negligible levels. The essence meets all international safety standards.
The finished giant waterbug paste essence arrives at the automated cold storage.
Final count is verified. That's a match.
Acknowledged. We can initiate the handover to Process B.
Thermal readings are stable. Kill step effectiveness confirmed.
High-pressure nozzles inject liquid binding agents into the rapidly mixing Lethocerus indicus powder, achieving the precise moisture content for extrusion.
Look, the moisture content is stable below 5%.
Excellent. The throughput is optimized.
With the moisture content safely below the required threshold of 4.5%, the pellets are stable and ready for packaging.
Check the readout on line 3. Acknowledged, everything is within tolerance.
The industrial sack is heat sealed and then passed through a heavy-duty robotic stitching unit, creating a durable,
Regions. The routes are optimized and the schedule is clear for the agricultural centers.
Inventory confirms we have the 25.
Careful with that stack, it's heavy.
Don't worry, we got it. Where's the forklift?
These 25-kilogram sacks contain our unique Lethocerus chitin protein pellets, offering proven benefits for soil health and vigorous growth.
These gray-brown pellets ensure a slow, sustained nutrient release, promoting exceptional plant health and resilience in the crop root system.
The final shrink-rasser syrup chart of Voodoo pellet.
The abundant harvest confirms the economic benefit of the Lethocerus chitin protein pellets, demonstrating utility. These pellets symbolize the cycle of growth and renewal, underscoring the success and reliability of this agricultural additive.
The data confirms sustained nutrient release and significant
chitin pellets.
The application of our chitin protein pellets results in significantly improved yield and this exceptional quality.
The chitin protein complex activates the plant's natural defenses, improving growth by up to 20%.
That is very impressive.
Is it?
Thanks to this sophisticated industrial process, the Lethocerus pellets ensure a future